Oh, hello. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to discuss the difference between a living will and a will. Before I get to that, if you would like to schedule an appointment with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Callfrankbruno.com or my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Today I had a telephone call where a prospective client asked me the difference between a living will and a will. So those are two different documents that share the word will. So a will, as we commonly call the document, really is a last will and testament. And that is a document, as I've spoken about before, where a person named the testator names an executor and mentions beneficiaries and attends to the passing on to the next generation or to their heirs, whatever is in their estate. So that's a will. A living will is an advanced directive, and that's the type of document that you can you can direct what should happen to you in the event that you are not competent to say that you want to be removed from life-sustaining treatment. So while you're alive and competent and able to think ahead to a moment in time where you may not have the capacity to speak to a doctor and to tell the medical staff what your wishes are, that's what the living will takes care of. Now, that was the question, and that was the conversation I had today. A slightly different but related question would be, who can make a will and who can make a living will? Well, you have to be 18, you have to be of legal majority and competent. So any person that's over the age of 18 and is able to reason and think, they can make a will, they can make a living will. And finally, do you need to have a certain amount of assets before you make a will? Do you need a certain monetary amount? No, you don't. You can own something very small. You can own a car. You don't have to own anything, and you can have your will direct what you want with your personal belongings. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to meet up with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you very much.